have replaced more than 197 million square feet of turf grass. And we often tell people that's X number of football fields, or that would be so many acres. I don't know if people understand acres. But think of the enormity of a strip of grass that circumnavigates an entire planet. That's how much underutilized turf grass was in this valley. And we're not done yet. There's still a lot of underutilized grass out there, so we'll see if we can get another wrap out of it. But it's really up to this community. It's a great thing to celebrate the more than 60,000 people that have done this work, and to encourage those that haven't done a project to find that turf grass and to convert it to beautiful, better adapted landscaping and cut their water use by 75%. We'd love to see it happen.